What's up guys, we're gonna go through a little how-to video on how we're doing the red velvet on the roof of the 8th gen Civic right here. So here we go. For those of you guys new to the channel, we have two cars that we work on every single day. We've got the 8th gen Civic right here, and then we've got the Lexus IS300. This is Whitney's car. I'll post a link to her page in the description. She doesn't have any content posted yet, but we're gonna get that fixed pretty quickly. Still got some Halloween decorations left over. So we're gonna go in here real quick and show you the pillar that we wrapped last night. We did this as a test just to see if the material and the glue was gonna work. It actually came out like super nice. We've got no lifting or anything around edges. So, but here's the red velvet, looks great. Alright, so first you're gonna need your spray adhesive and your fabric. After you pick out a fabric, all you gotta do is look up a video on how to take out your headliner. And so that's what we're gonna do next on the Civic. Alright, so the first step in redoing your headliner is gonna be taking off both of your pillar covers in the front. And if your car has any, you're gonna have to take them off in the back also. So here we go. This one, I already popped the clips off last night. This Civic actually comes with some weird factory thing where you have to break it off to remove it. So this side we already broke off, so we just need to unclip it. Kind of hard to do this with one hand, so set the phone down real quick. It's pretty simple just to pop it off. Sometimes you can do it with your bare hands. Sometimes you gotta use one of these little panel popper tools or whatever. So in the case with this Honda, we have to pull this weather stripping off the door to like fully access this panel. So just stick your finger in there and just kind of pop it out, you know, pretty easy. Alright, so I'm gonna try to use the round part of this and hopefully it doesn't break or damage the pillar. Looks like that might have worked. Okay, so we just removed both of the front pillars. Now we're gonna work on the back of the car. Alright, so the next step is probably, you don't have to do these necessarily in order or any specific order, but the next step I'm gonna do is removing my visors on both sides. That actually does hold the headliner on the ceiling, so you do have to remove these in most cars. I've never seen a car that you wouldn't have to, so keep that in mind. Later in the video, we're also gonna have to pop these headlight housings, or not headlights, but whatever, dome lights, to pop those out, front and rear. And then I'm gonna try to get my sunroof cover to come out. If I can't get this to come out, then I'm just gonna leave it how it is. Alright, so on mine, I'm just gonna use this tool to try and pop this cover off. And if you guys need these panel popping tools, I just got these at Harbor Freight. It was like $4 for a whole pack of them. Alright, so that exposes the screws. Now we just get a regular Phillips head screwdriver and take it off. Oh wait, crap. Is that Phillips? Nope, it's not a Phillips, it's a Starbit, but luckily they put a flathead screwdriver on there so you can use whatever. Driver's side done. Now I just gotta do the passenger side. Then I gotta take these handles off and lights, and I think we're good. and pop this light housing off. Let's see how easy that is. Oops. The fucking tip of the screwdriver keeps falling off like every 30 seconds. Taken off now. Hopefully it doesn't get too dark. Alright, front one's removed. Now we're working on the back. Honestly, I've used a butter knife more than any other tool today. These two are G, especially working on Honda Civics. So in here, it's gonna be hard to do it with one hand. Let me turn the flash on. Better. So try to do it with one hand, but if you look, this cap is split from here, so you just get the butter knife underneath it and pop it out. Might need two hands. There we go. Pop that right off. Alright, so I got all the pieces unbolted, and basically the headliner just kind of popped right down. So now I'm gonna attempt to get it out without fucking it up too bad. I've already dented it, looks like. Whatever. Okay, so we finally got the headliner all the way out. As you can see, all my sick sunroof components, airbags. This car has a lot of airbags. As you can see, it goes all the way from the back, all the way to the front. I've never seen that. I'm probably gonna remove those. So, I'm gonna do a little startup real quick, see how the sunroof works. Throw the fucking headliner in. Oh, never mind. Fuck. Alright, so we're gonna close up the Civic for the night. We're gonna bring the headliner into the house so we can put that nice red velvet on there. Here is the headliner. I probably should have got a clip taking it out of the car, but I don't think they meant for it to come out of the car. It was tough. Alright, so we got the headliner in here, got the tarp set down so we don't mess anything up. All we gotta do next is test fit the piece of fabric. So let's see, we got this. Alright, so we're about to start spraying down the glue. Last end piece over there to do the other pillar. So in the end, we're gonna have both front pillars, the ceiling, all red velvet. Probably gonna end up doing the back pillars, probably black. I'm not sure yet. Here we go. rest of the glue we need because last night we ran out. So I'm gonna show you guys this super dope burger spot here in town that we go to. It's called Burger Box. So if you're in Colorado Springs, come check out Burger Box. This place is slap. And by slap, I mean fantastic. We like our food trucks here. We like to support our community. They like to support our tummies. Here we are. We are driving the Lexus today, Whitney's car. Once again, I'll post a link to hers in the description. Check out her YouTube channel. She's also part of RADO BOYZ. Doesn't mean all boys. We just out here.